Good morning, class, and welcome to today's lesson. We are going to continue from where we stopped in our last meeting. We started looking at pattern of numbers, and that is what we are coming to continue with today. You may be asked to extend, you'll be given a pattern, and you may be asked to extend the pattern. They wouldn't ask you to skip count by any number of steps. You'll be asked that you extend the pattern. In a situation where you are asked to extend a pattern, this is how you would handle such questions. For instance, extend the following pattern, and then you are given, say, A. You have 12, 14, 16, and you have empty spaces. B. They give you, say, 15. 18, 21, and then C, you are given, say, 14, 21, 28. Questions of this nature requires that you find what we call a difference. You look out for the difference between two consecutive numbers, say 12 and then 4. If you are able to determine this difference, that is what you will use to work with. Is that okay? For instance, let's consider the first example. You have example A. You are given 12, 14, and then 16. To find the difference, you have difference equals the second number, that is 14, minus the first digit, 12. 14 minus 12 will give you 2. Let's do that subtraction together. You have 14 and then 12. 4 take away 2 will give you 2. 1 take away 1 will give you 0. And so 2 is our difference. What it means is that between 12 and then 14, you have a difference of 2. Between 14 and then 16, you have another difference too. So you have a common difference between them. That is what you will use to fill in these empty spaces. So to find the digits that will fit in here, you are going to add 2 to the digit 16. So 16 plus 2 will give you 18. So 18 will be here. To find the next digit, you add again 2 to 18. So you have 18 plus 2. And that gives you 20. So 20 will be here. The next digit will be determined by adding 20 to the common difference 2. The difference plus 20 will give us 22. And so 22 will be there. So this is how we solve questions that demands that we extend a pattern. Let's consider example B. B, we are given 15, 18, and then 21. The same way, you wouldn't be able to fill in these empty spaces if you don't find your common difference. So let's do that. So difference equals the second digit, that is 18. Take away 15. Let's do that together. You have 18 minus 15. 8 take away 5 will give you 3. And then 1 take away 1 will give you 0. So undoubtedly, our difference is 3. The same way, to be able to obtain the digit that comes after 21, you have to add the common difference to 21. So let's do that. You have 21 plus 3, and that will give you 24. And so 24 would be here. To find the next digit, you have 24 plus the common difference 3, and that gives us 27. So 27 will fit in there. Then you have again 27 plus 3 to give us the next digit, and that gives you 30. So you have 30 in the last empty space. Example 3, that is C. C, we are given 14, 21, and then 28. To extend this pattern, again, you find your difference. So we have difference equals 21 minus 14. And that will give you 7. To obtain the next digit after 28, you have to add the common difference 7 to 28. And that gives you 35. So you have 35 there. 35 plus 7 will give us our next digit. And that gives you 42. So you have 42 there. And then the last digit, you have 42 plus 7. And with that, you get 49. So 49 will fit in over here. I hope that is understood. Alright. All said and done, I would like to give you some few questions to try as exercise. So we have exercise 2. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Let's meet again next time. Thank you.